What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to change the language, layout and type of your iOS keyboard. This should be quite an easy tutorial, but if you still have any questions then leave a comment and let me know. Open up your settings application. Here, navigate to General and then Keyboard. These settings allow you to make all of the possible changes to your iOS keyboard. First, in the keyboard section, you can add or remove keyboards which are available to you when typing. These can easily be switched while using your keyboard. Next, you can set some text replacement options. This means that you can configure a shortcut which will in turn display another text. Again, these can also be deleted and modified. The one-handed keyboard option lets you decrease its size to either the left or right side. This option is usually disabled, even for one-handed users. The all keyboard settings are pretty self-explanatory. Those come down to personal preference and language options. Below, you can change a few settings, which will alternate depending on which language you have set. If you're mostly typing in one language, then some of these settings make sense to use, such as check spelling and predictive. In case you're using an external keyboard, go to Accessibility and then Keyboards. Here, you can change a few options for your connected keyboard. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.